Hey fam! Welcome back to another swatch video, but this time, isi-share ko naman sa inyo ang aking personal experience at the same time, results that I got from using the Laneige Cream Skin Refiner. I know medyo late na ako sa review na ito, but still, gusto ko ibahagi sa inyo yung experience ko lalo na sa mga oily sensitive skin fam na katulad ko. So if you want to know more, please continue watching. So, ano nga ba itong cream skin refiner na ito? Cream ba siya? Moisturizer ba siya? Toner ba siya? Because it looks like a toner actually. But, where in fact, it is a cream moisturizer na liquid form. Innovative, diba? Meron itong dalawang sizes, which is the full size that contains 150 amount of product and is on a glass bottle, while yung deluxe size ay naglalaman naman ng 50 ml amount of product and nakalagay sa plastic bottle. If you want to test out the product first to see kung mahihiyangan mo ito, mas okay kung i-purchase mo muna yung 50 ml instead sa full size. Great to bring sa travel kasi it won't consume much space sa iyong skincare bag. So, ganito yung itsura ng 50 ml packaging, nakalagay yung kanyang benefits and kung anong skin type ito angkop, and yung main features nito ng white leaf tea water, which is responsible in strengthening the skin barrier. Nakalagay naman sa bandang ibaba ng bottle yung kanyang expiration date. 50 ml comes in a screw cap and meron itong stopper to prevent the product from leaking and spilling para iwas tapon and para hindi rin masayang yung product mismo. Actually, this product is very innovative. You can use it in two ways. You can use it as a toner and you can layer it up if you have very dry skin. Then, pwede mo siyang gamiting moisturizer as well because it has this creamy texture once you pat it in your skin. When it comes to its consistency, napakarani and watery nito. And yung scent niya almost reminds me of a oat milk water. The benefits of this product is to give your skin deep hydration, repair, and strengthens your skin barrier. Kasi once your skin barrier is damaged, mas nagiging dehydrated ang skin nyo. Thus, it needs a lot of hydration and moisture. So this product is very useful to repair and heal your skin barrier. Once blended into your skin, dun mo mafe-feel yung cream-like formula. Your skin would feel moisturized and hydrated. This one is not sticky at all, but I would only layer this once kasi it could get a little bit tacky and greasy kapag namatami ka ng lagay, lalo na if you have oily combination skin like I do. But if you have a very dry skin, obviously, you can layer this up according to your preference. But for me, I would use 2 to 3 drops is enough for my skin. Then, I would put on my moisturizer after this. Product is very mild and moisturizing enough to care for your damaged skin barrier, even safe for sensitive skin like me. The consistency totally reminds me of oat water, but the texture will be different once applied sa inyong balat. It is more like a cream but in a liquid form. So, here is my condition prior using the cream skin refiner. Sobrang pula and irritated ng skin ko. The main reason why I tried this product because of my damaged skin barrier. Here is an update of my skin after 2 weeks straight using the product. As you can see, nalesen niya yung pagka-redness ng aking face, less irritation, and yung aking complexion mas nag-brighten palalo. I would highly recommend this for all skin types, but especially for those who have damaged or compromised barrier skin because this will help you repair and bring back the health of your skin in general.